up, guys? This is Corey J from Corey J's Boutique. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with this fabulous frontal installation that I did on my mother. Listen, okay, I'm sorry, guys. Like, I don't mean to be so vulgar. That's just who I am. This frontal is so freaking beautiful. Like, this frontal, look at this shit. Okay, this is like, which I look Puerto Rico. Sorry, I'm just really excited because I feel like I have really worked hard, guys, over the last 2 days, recording lots and lots of videos for you guys, using this hair, making it into a wig, bleaching the knots, plucking it, installing it, taking off my last frontal. So much in store for you guys. So I'm just really excited. So before we go any further, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Don't watch none of my videos if you don't subscribe. And I mean that in the most sweet and humble way possible. Like, no, for real. Like, if you're gonna watch them, just subscribe. You might as well subscribe. Click that bell. Make sure that you don't ever miss a video from me again, okay? So basically, this is a frontal installation video. I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this frontal to look like this. I'm not sure when this video will be posted, but if I have already posted my bleaching, plucking, baby hairs, all of the whole nine, I will make sure that the links are in there, and no matter what, I will put the links in there. So the first thing that you're going to need is this alcohol. It's very essential. If your head is not clean when you try to apply your lace, it's not going to stick. It's going to be a disaster. So make sure you get 99% alcohol. You're also going to need a powder that matches your skin and a brush. It doesn't really matter, just kind of a big one to, you know, powder it, whatever. Glue. Now, I've never revealed the glue that I actually use for my frontal installation, so this is big for me. Personally, I care more about teaching you guys than I do making money off of the frontals, like installs and stuff like that. So I just want to teach y'all. So, Walker tape, ultra hold. It's expensive, but it's good as shit, okay? Then we got Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond's pretty expensive too. You're also gonna need this Tresemme holding spray. I'll tell you why in a little bit. You're gonna need a rat tail comb or something else to just apply your glue with. And then of course you're gonna need some nice scissors to cut off your lace. I would say if you don't have any small scissors, use a razor comb, just something so that, you know, when you cut, it's not just straight across and it doesn't look like stupid, pretty much. So the first thing I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip this wig inside out so that I can see the lace in the inside of the wig. And I'm going to take this and I'm literally just gonna like color my wig with it as well. So I just take it and I just literally put that bad boy all over the lace. And what this does, it just gives it more brown than what it already is, because we want this frontal, we want this install to look like motherfucking scalp, baby, okay? We don't want us to look like we got fucking a head full of Swiss. We want to look like we got scalp. You heard me? So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do that on here. I'm gonna sit this down and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna actually do it on my actual wig cap as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this in sections, because I don't want, like, you have two sides and then you have a middle, right? And you never want everything to look straight across, because that's not a realistic hairline. So I'm gonna cut it according to the middle and then the sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it, cut right here, take it, cut right here. Make sure you kind of brush those baby edges back so you don't mess those up. So this is the first I'm cutting, and I'm just going to kind of jagged edgely cut it. And I'm doing that just so that it does not have a straight line. Shit's so ugly. Yeah, let me just stop and tell y'all, like, I'm doing this because I really want people to learn and everything, but this shit is hard. Like, I'm doing my hair in the camera right now, so just bear with me, okay? This is my first, actually this is my second time, but the first time was just not as good as this time, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start placing this glue. Now, depending on how long I want my wig to stay, I'll do about 4 layers of glue on my head. So I just take the glue, I place it on the comb, and I just smooth it back. Now remember, we've marked off where we want this glue to be at. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put the glue behind the mark, because I know that's where I want my frontal to stop at. So now it's time to go in and fix the mistakes, okay? Ooh, bitch. Who the fuck am I? This shit is cute. I'm so proud of myself.